Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Atif and this is the summary of today's lesson. Today we started the activity F reading English student book unit 1 page 11 and 12. As you know that our unit 1 is about reading practice and two techniques that we apply while reading any text or when we want to find the answers or required information in given text. We use two techniques: number one, skimming, and number two, scanning. So this activity is again about the same reading techniques, and in which we have to, in this activity we have to read this text and we have to solve this exercise given on page number 11. So we started our lesson with activity 1, and in this activity we answered the question, that is, you are going to read a newsletter about a sports center. And there are 6 sections. Number 1, welcome. Number 2, opening hours. Number 3, membership. Number 4, facilities. Number 5, focus on gyms. And number 6, personal fitness. So these are 6 facilities that we are going to discuss in this lesson, in this reading article. So he says, before we start the lesson, we have to think, like, in which section do you think you will read the following information A to F, and why. We have these 5 options, okay, these 6 options, sorry, and we need to find in which section we are going to read each of these informations. So first, welcome section. As a whole class, we solve this activity and we guess the required information, and this information is like, in welcome section we are going to read this information B and make you feel at home. Then in second section, opening hours, definitely opening hours information. In this section you are going to read about the time and schedule, the schedule, okay, like what is the timing of gym from Monday to Saturday. Okay, so we believe that this information F we are going to read in opening hours section. Then in third option, membership, we believe that we are going to read about adults. Okay, this information, like membership for adults means more than 18% or our 18%, 18 years old, our 18 years old. So in this section, membership section, we are going to read about the information adult. Next, facilities, and we discussed that we guess that we are going to read information C in this section, facilities, because this information C describes Olympics and children's starter pool, and it means like they are providing a facility for children starter pools, and for adults they are providing Olympic pools. So we believe that this information definitely available in the under the section of facility. Then focus on gyms. So In this section, we believe that we are going to read the increase your strength information, like how you can increase your strength by focusing on gym. And the last one, personal fitness. And we discussed that the last option, option E, is available under the section personal fitness, reach your potential. This information, we believe that we are going to read in section personal fitness. So after guess this activity, we move to activity 2, and in this activity we are required to write two more informations for each section. Like in opening hours, we are going to read about the information, days information, Monday to Saturday. What else we are going to expect to read under this opening hours section? So we discussed that we are going to read about the timings, okay, timings available in different days, and we are also going to read about the opening hours of different facilities, because you know that in sports center it's not like you can only do gym, or you can only have gym facility. You can also have other sports options, okay. And sports center contains Olympics, like they mentioned, Olympics practice facilities and other facilities. So definitely we are going to read about the timings of other sports options or sports facilities in under this section opening hours. So same like that, the students discussed, as a whole class we discussed this option, and we noted down the different facilities and the information we are going to read under each section. So after that we started activity 3, and in this activity we read the text and then we answered the we matched our answers, like what we already done in activity F1 and activity F2, and then we uh, check our answers, okay. And we check that whether we wrote it down the correct answers or not. So that was the today's lesson we discussed in today's lecture. So we will continue this lecture, this lesson, inshallah, in coming lesson. So till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.